In this experiment, a kicker is suited up in a motion capture lab. Infrared cameras capture the movement of markers placed on the joints of his body, creating a computer model. The goal here is to break down this model and decode it.
And you think about the human body, right? It's just, imagine it as a machine. There are just so many moving parts and just a near infinite number of configurations a body can be in, yet somehow humans are able to get some sort of meaningful information out of the movement of the human body that might tell you something as complex as where someone's about to kick this ball.
There are obvious clues indicating where a kicker intends to aim his shot, such as the direction of his eyes and feet, but the research has shown that there are other markers as well. Diaz describes an effect called distributive motion. He says that every motion a kicker makes has multiple consequences for other parts of the body. If a kicker changes the direction of his kicking foot, he will have to compensate for weight distribution by shifting another part of his body, such as his arms or his hands. With most European Soccer League competitions now underway and the World Cup a recent memory, Diaz hopes his research will receive a lot of attention.
So what I think the sports world might benefit from is to start considering different sorts of information as indicators of kick direction and hopefully develop training regimes.
Diaz says the development of a training regime is still years away, but through his research so far, he does have some advice for goalies.
The best performers wait the longest before responding. So I guess if there's a way to get the expert goalkeepers to just relax a bit, wait as long as they can, then maybe we could see some performance increases.
Diaz admits that may be easier said than done, but he does believe by the next World Cup, goalkeepers will be training just as hard on laptops as they do on the field. Ben Gruber, Reuters.